This is for our beginners class, and we're doing a really cool gospel song in the key of A. We're doing Joy Comes Back. And so this is going to be a play along video, and at the end of the video, I will talk a little bit about some of the technique for you. And we're doing it with my drum machine. We have it nice and slow. It's a shuffle beat, kind of a bluesy beat, at 110 beats per minute. Just like this. All right. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. Well, I've been downhearted. I've been downhearted. I've been downhearted, but I won't be down for long. Because I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. I've been too long crying. I've been too long crying. Been too long crying, but I won't cry anymore. Because I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. I've been surrounded by midnight. I've been surrounded by midnight. I've been surrounded by midnight, but the sun's gonna rise again. And I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. Yeah, I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. Yeah. All right. So let me tell you about a couple chord changes here. This song is a 1-4-5 in the key of A. It's an A and a D and an E7. And there are some locations in each stanza where we're going from an A to a D. It makes a nice gospel feel. And the way we do that is we make our A form and we hold it down. This makes for a very efficient chord transition. We have 2 free fingers here. And I'm going to make that D, I'm holding the A down, and I take my ring finger and my baby finger, and I'm making, in essence, I'm making a D form with these 3 fingers. Instead of a lot of us do a D like this, we're just using a different fingering. And so we have 2 fingers down on the same string. Now, when that happens, it's the finger that's closest to the sound hole that creates the sound. So it usurps this one. So watch what happens. We're going from an A to a D. You hold it all down. See how? It's 2 fingers back and forth. So for example, in the intro, it says, I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. Watch this. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. So we have 2 beats of an A and 2 beats of a D. So I'm just going down, 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 down. The rest of the time, I'm basically doing what I call the boom chukka with my right hand. and I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. I might fancy it up by doing a down and then a down mute, up, down, down with a mute or a chuck or a chunk, has different names, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, because I like to accent the 2 and the 4 to add some rhythmic intensity to this song. So we're doing that, or just down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And if you want to embellish the A chord, make it a little fancier, remember to hold the form down. We're adding a note to this embellishment. I'm going to take my ring finger, and I am in the 2nd fret, and I'm going to put my ring finger on the E string. And you can do it in different locations, but I would stick right now for just doing it on the 2nd and the 4th beat. So here it is without. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is with. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. When you're learning this, keep your right hand really simple. Just a downward strum, down. And then see if you can do it with a boom chukka. So it's be like this. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready. I wanna be ready when joy comes back to me. It's one way of doing it. You can add it just here and there. Too much of a good thing is not a good thing, so you don't want to do it all the time. But now and then, there's a little now and then. All right, enjoy.